Exodus Desktop Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Exodus Desktop Wallet app is a versatile crypto management platform. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a wallet. The surprising truth is that it offers portfolio tracking, built-in exchange, and staking features. Pros include an intuitive interface, multi-currency support, and integration with hardware wallets. Users can easily track balances, send and receive coins, and even exchange crypto directly within the app. Security features include backup options, password protection, and recovery seed phrases. Cons include custodial risks, as the app relies on software storage and some advanced security features require a hardware wallet. Fees for in-app exchanges can be higher than on external exchanges. In conclusion, the Exodus Desktop Wallet app is ideal for users seeking a combination of ease of use, multi-asset management, and integrated exchange features. It's beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for experienced crypto holders.